Hello everyone. You know, Hispanics are very sociable and friendly. They will always start a conversation with you saying hola. When you are in a foreign country or you need to communicate online with people from all over the world, you need to make new friends. What do you say? Spanish food and Latin American food are just yummy. Would you like to learn how to order food and drinks in a restaurant in Spanish? Yes, we want to make new friends, so let's learn to talk about ourselves. You are invited to a barbecue event. Are you ready to go shopping? Try this practical Spanish mini course. It's free. Please sign up, and if you know someone else who'd like it, please encourage them to sign up too. See you soon!